Let's say Alex invests in Thailand, and then the Thai government decide that actually they don't like foreign companies anymore, and they're going to sell everyone's shares and take control of that company because they can do what they want. It's their territory. There needs to be some mechanism of protection, and that's exactly what happened during the Suez crisis. So in 1869, the Suez Canal opened. When we spoke about that in the shipping lecture, the Suez Canal opens. It's run by this company called the Suez Canal Company. And by 1875, the biggest shareholders in that company were British and French. And they were making extremely healthy profits. Because if you think about it, billions of dollars worth of trade is going through the Suez Canal every day. And so these shareholders are taxing, obviously, these ships, and they are making a ridiculous amount of money. So everything was all good until Egypt, which is where the Suez Canal is located, gains independence from Britain. And so Britain, as the country, no longer has control of the Suez Canal. It's actually technically Egypt because they're independent. And in 1952, the Egyptian monarchy, who had run Egypt since 1922, and they were quite favored by Britain and France because they were keeping the shareholders happy in the Suez Canal Company. The profits were still coming in quite healthy. They're toppled during the Egyptian revolution. And the revolution is led by a guy called Gamal Abdel Nasser, an Egyptian pan-Arabist revolutionary, and he made the drastic step of nationalizing the Suez Canal, which is that he took the Suez Canal Company, he sold all of their shares to the shareholders so that they couldn't make constant profits anymore. So he just gave them a lump sum, sold their shares, and then that canal was now in the legal possession of the Egyptian government at the time. And so instead of the British and the French profiting from the Suez Canal, it's the Egyptian government now. And then the idea is that they will then help the Egyptian people who have been persecuted through colonialism. And so this caused the Suez Crisis. It caused Britain, France, and Israel to invade Egypt until it was called off by the USA. But you can clearly see how investment capital and money can lead to full-scale war.